Hey guys, welcome to another video here on my channel. For those of you that are new, my name is Lakia and welcome to the Chaotic Critic family. For my returning subscribers, welcome back. Here on my channel, I share planning and organizational videos, plus so much more over on my blog, chaoticcritic.com. The link is always in the description box. The whole premise of my channel is to share with you guys how I'm crushing the chaos in my life, with hopes that you'll be inspired and encouraged to crush the chaos in yours. Today's video is going to be a plan with me, but I'm going to be sharing with you guys how to plan with just one thing. Are you ready? You'll need your planner, of course. No stickers, just sticky notes. I love planning with sticky notes. I've shared spreads of planning with sticky notes, but I want to just go a little bit deeper into why I love them so much. So with sticky notes, you don't necessarily need stickers to plan, and I feel like a lot of people get lost in that. Sticky notes are great to be able to break things into categories, which is how I use them. Or if you're planning and you have a spread and you need to make a note of something, a sticky note is great for that. If you have a to-do list for the day and it's not that long and you want to use it as a daily, you can do that as well. So the options are limitless when it comes to how you can use sticky notes. For those lists that you necessarily don't want to put in your planner and you want to discard later, the sticky notes are great for that. So how I use mine is I use them for categories, which I love. And in using them for categories, I'm able to section off different things that I have to get done, and then I write that list. But I'm taking it even a step further now, and I am making action steps. I shared my video recently about planning being overwhelming and needing to have a game plan in place for me to really discipline myself. So I looked at my list, I looked at my brain dump list, and I decided to then not only have that list, but then break it into categories, and then from breaking it into categories to have action steps for those items that are not self-explanatory. So if I need to go to the bank or mail a package, that's self-explanatory. I don't need action steps for that. But if I have a project that I'm working on or a project that I need to get started on, I need to have those steps of exactly what I need to do and not just solely base it off of memory. I need to brain dump every little thing so that I can stay on track. But then when I'm finished with the project, to just double check and make sure that I got everything done that I need to. So when I was still planning inside of here, I was doing that, and yeah, I was doing it here, trying to make sure. So I would put a sticky note here about like orders that I needed to send out, and then I was using the circle sticky notes from Cloth and Paper as like a daily, in a sense, of the top priority that I needed to get done. And then when it came to my dashboards and everything, I'm actually just gonna take that one off. So when it came to my dashboards, I would just literally, these are just sticky notes on a page of things that I wanted to get done. I would make one for the week, things I needed to film, and then the videos that I had going up that week, I would put them on a sticky note as well. So that's what I mean by the possibilities being endless. And I'm not too picky on my sticky notes. I just love Cloth and Papers because they're very, very neutral. But these right here, I use them all the time, and these are from Dollar Tree. Don't bother me none. It is what it is. So we're going to go ahead and take a closer look at what it is that I have going on. And the planner that I'm currently using is this Michaels one. And I'm setting it up weekly with you guys. I've been posting videos on Wednesdays about this planner, and I love it. And this notebook, I'm actually going to be sharing with you guys what I'm doing with it. It's going to be actually my reference notebook, changing it from what I had it as. And that's that. So here is the page. Here's the page, and here are all of my sticky notes. I already did this, but I wanted to come on and share with you guys my process. So on the front, things that don't have to do with YouTube or the business that I'm working on or any custom orders that I have, that goes on the front. On the back is all work stuff. So on the front, I have this sticky note here, which just has my top priority of the week, things that I need to get done. And these are the kinds of tasks that I do not need to have action points for. Then I also have my bills for the week, which I'll be sharing with you guys how I keep track of all of that. I'm a pen to paper kind of girl. I just need to see what I have going on. And then for each week, I realized in not writing it down that I was losing track. So that's that. And then the last one that I have is my incoming mail, because I've been ordering a lot of stuff, but all for good things that you guys will be finding out about later. So that is that on the front. And then if I have any notes to myself, or if I need to continue this to-do list, I can easily move this over here, which I think I might just leave it over here. And then if I need to write in anything else, I have the space to do that. I don't plan on placing any orders this week online. I don't think so. I don't need anything at the moment. Everything that I have been purchasing has been for business, so that's that. Moving on to the back, I use this side strictly for YouTube stuff. So I have my videos this week so I can see a snapshot. I need to get better at sharing that I posted a video. And then here I have what I want to film. And then I'm just gonna put here to share videos because I need to do that more. Then the last thing is this, which is about Instagram and posting to my feed and consistency with this. So notes to myself, and that's that. Then over here, everything that I'm doing with my upcoming, with my business that I'm starting. I've been doing it since late July. I just haven't made it known to the public. I have shirts and cups and all that stuff that I do custom. This is not the name of my business, by the way, but I have shirts and cups, and I'm personalizing things, but it's more of like a special occasion. And as I have more information to share with you guys, I definitely will, but I have a lot of stuff that I need to work on for that. And yeah, but it's coming very soon, so stay on the lookout. I'll share with you guys for sure. And then I have a custom order for 5 items, and then that is that. So with these projects here for the jacket, the shirt, and then this 90s jersey that I'm working on, this is custom stuff. This is actually stuff for my boyfriend. And with this, I am then going to take another piece of paper and really go in and map that out. So I have 2 options really. I can take this, put it over here, and then for the jean jacket, the ram shirt, and the jersey, write out what it is that I need to do. Or I can still put them all on sticky notes. But again, this is just my main board here. I wouldn't even move this. Once I'm done with it, I would come back here and just check everything off, and so on and so forth. Another cool thing with sticky notes is that if you need more space and you finish this, and you have something else that you need to do in this category, you can layer the sticky notes on top of each other. So for everything, I'm gonna go reassess, and then I'm going to be writing in my action points for each of these. But I just wanted to share with you guys the basics of me planning with my sticky notes, what I do, how it works for me. It's always worked so well, and this is a great way to plan and still add a little razzle to your dazzle if you want to use colorful sticky notes and whatnot. These are more neutral. These are all from cloth and paper, as I said, but this is a great way to plan if you don't want something to be temporary on your page, or if you want to categorize as well. That's one of the reasons I love it so much. So that is it for this video. I would love to hear from you guys in the comments section of what you're planning with. What are you guys working on? Would love to hear from you you in the comments. Be sure to check out all the links in the description box, which will have links to related videos, and of course, the links to the blog and Instagram. The blog is chaoticcritic.com. My Instagram is @chaoticcritic. If you're not subscribed to the Chaotic Critic fam, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. And for all of you that are, I thank you. I love you guys. Stay safe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys.